Welcome back to Tell TV, where we bring you the latest and most exciting car reviews. Today, we have something truly special, the all-new 2025 Diablo Prius EV Lamborghini, a groundbreaking fusion of cutting-edge electric performance and the legendary design of Lamborghini. If you thought the future of supercars was uncertain, Lamborghini is here to prove that electrification can be just as thrilling as raw combustion power. The 2025 Diablo Prius EV Lamborghini arrives in a stunning yellow color that immediately grabs attention. The aggressive aerodynamic lines, bold LED headlights, and signature Y-shaped lighting elements give it a striking presence on the road. The low-stance wide body and sharp angles reflect Lamborghini's iconic design language while incorporating the latest advancements in aerodynamics. Every detail from the carbon fiber accents to the massive air intakes has been engineered for both aesthetics and performance under the hood, or in this case, beneath the sleek chassis. The Diablo Prius EV Lamborghini is powered by a state-of-the-art all-electric powertrain. This beast delivers an astonishing 1,000 horsepower thanks to its tri-motor setup with instant torque and seamless power. Delivery acceleration is mind-blowing, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.9 seconds, making it one of the fastest electric supercars in the world. The advanced all-wheel drive system ensures maximum grip and control, allowing for precise handling at any speed. Lamborghini has equipped the Diablo Prius EV with an ultra-high performance battery pack that provides an estimated range of 350 miles on a single charge. The fast charging capability allows it to recharge up to 80% in just 20 minutes, ensuring minimal downtime. Whether on the track or city streets, this electric supercar is built for maximum excitement without compromise. Step inside the 2025 Diablo Prius EV Lamborghini, and you are greeted by a luxurious yet futuristic cockpit. The interior is crafted with premium Alcantara leather and carbon fiber trim. The fighter jet-inspired dashboard features a fully digital instrument cluster and a massive infotainment touchscreen with advanced AI-powered controls. The new interface provides real-time performance data, navigation, and seamless smartphone integration. The Diablo Prius EV Lamborghini is not just about performance. It is also packed with the latest driver assistance and safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist collision avoidance, and an advanced 360-degree camera system. The car's aerodynamics are further enhanced with active rear spoilers and an adaptive suspension system, ensuring superior stability at high speeds. Lamborghini has priced the 2025 Diablo Prius EV at approximately $500,000, making it a dream car for those who crave both extreme performance and cutting-edge technology. While it carries a premium price tag, it delivers an unmatched driving experience that pushes the boundaries of what an electric supercar can achieve. So, what makes the 2025 Diablo Prius EV Lamborghini stand out? It is the perfect blend of Lamborghini's heritage and the future of electric mobility. With breathtaking speed, aggressive styling, and state-of-the-art technology, this EV proves that going electric does not mean sacrificing excitement. Lamborghini has once again redefined what it means to drive a supercar. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Diablo Prius EV Lamborghini. Let us know in the comments what you think about this electrifying yellow supercar. Don't forget to subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest car reviews. Thanks for watching Tell TV, and we will see you in the next video.